right now the air quality is not very good. There were wildfires in Washington. A bug hit my eye.
Did it touch your eyeball?
Yeah.
I'm gonna unbox these now.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
It's gone forever. Just
These are full. Did flashlight?
yeah. No. Kind of big.
Yeah, mine's kind of big too. Wow. It's so shiny. We looked through like thousands of rings, and this one stood out the most.
That one's prettiest because it has a bubble and it has the abalone thingy.
Abalone shell. Yeah. That's so cool. I forgot the name of the opal. Was it
Blue opal.
just blue?
Yeah.
So we messed up on the sizing a bit and they're both too big, but they fit on our thumbs. I know where you're going to.
Don't drop it.
Oh, I feel like a gangster now. Also, we have this bracelet that was made by Nami's friend. Name store or online.
What? So long.
Oh, they renovated here. You got better at driving.
Really?
Yeah, you're getting better every time. And they use
Turn to sharp.
Oh, I'm hungry. And then there's also this one, which has like Asian stones inside of it.
Hi.
And it has like rocks on it, and apparently it's supposed to like increase blood flow. I'm wearing these 2 rings for now, but we're gonna buy us.
Change size tag.
And then there's mocha. Yeah, so now we're gonna make pasta. Ravioli, and we have spaghetti, and we have macaroni, and we have fettuccine and parmigiani, and what is this?
Panini.
Panini. Nami. This is gonna be a weird vlog.
Yeah.
This looks scary. It looks like a
I would be scared of that.
Really?
Try
Mocha, mocha, mocha. Mocha is trembling in fear from the scary tripod.
What do you want to make? Pasta and the mac and cheese.
Pesto and mac and... Yeah, pesto and mac and cheese. These chips are so good. They're also these things. You have to test the temperature, like swimming pool, right?
Your finger's gonna turn into sausage.
Now we're gonna solve this Rubik's Cube that I gave to Nami so she could work on her Rubik's Cube skills, but she hasn't practiced in...
Hey, I'm busy. I have schoolwork and I have YouTube and I have spacing out to do.
Mocha's being cute.
Give me.
Oh, you can solve it? Let's see how long it takes Nami to solve it. Yay! Yay!
That took me a really long time.
So now you have green, green, red, red.
That probably took me 5 minutes.
So now let's see how long it takes me to solve the Rubik's Cube. And time. Yay! Oh my gosh. These are really long chopsticks. What? I'm gonna show you how to make the cheese for macaroni using flour and milk. Oh my gosh. No! What have I done? And now it's done. Yay.
Don't know what's wrong. Something isn't right. Don't feel I belong.
Piano break.
Melted. Got this. Whoa.
Oh my gosh. No. Oh my gosh. Whoa, what?
I make
That guy's
them-
huge. Whoa. It's like a boss.
Yeah. Hi, this is Nami editing this. Thank you for watching this crazy vlog, and I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.